Hi, and welcome to bingo.lu, the new real estate platform in Luxembourg. Today I will show you how you can use our tools on the map. So first of all, you choose if you want to buy or rent. I will just look for a house in our whole country. And then I see the map where I can zoom in or out. So first of all, we can choose if we want to see all the offers on a list. Then we see the images and also the details. For example, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, and how large is the area. If we go back on the map, we can also circle an area. I will zoom in and then just circle the area where I'm looking for a flat or a house. I can also draw an area, so I just clear the area and click on draw area. And then I just do one click and there I can draw click by click the area where I want to look for my new flat or house or garage or whatever you're looking for. And then I see the results all in this area. If I click on show on list, I just see all the results in that area I just draw. I hope you liked the video and thanks for your interest. Bye bye!